So over here you can see that I am in a particular web page and this is in a certain zoom level. Let's say what I want to do is I want to zoom in and see the contents much more clearly. In that case, what I can do is I can go around and click on the more option right here, and here you have the zoom option, as you can see right here. You can go around and click on the plus button to zoom in, and as you can see, as I am in 150%, the text is much more larger along with the images right here. But as you zoom in much more further, the images might start to break apart as well. So you can see that the image quality may be blurred out because it is not meant for that zoom level, that 100%. I can also go around and zoom out. Let's say, for example, you want to see an overall web page in a small monitor, then you can go around and utilize this zoom feature as well. You can go around and click on enter full screen button to enter full screen as well. Or you can go around, press F11 to get out of the full screen as well. So you can go around and zoom in and zoom out, as you can see right here. You can also hold the control button on your keyboard and use the scroll mouse button to zoom in and zoom out as well. And you can see the zoom level over here. So you can go around and zoom in and zoom out and reset it out from over here as well. So that is how you can utilize the zoom option for Webpage View inside of Microsoft Edge. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.